Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello,
afternoon.
Priya. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So, Priya, this is your first session with me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Today is
And
my five session, session number
yeah,
five.
you joined recently, right?
Yes,
Right. Okay. So, Priya, my name is Arunima. I live in Karnataka, and I'm your tutor. Would you like to share something about yourself?
yes, ma'am. My name is Priya.
Hmm.
I am from Uttar Pradesh. I live in Kanpur.
Hmm.
I have completed my graduation in BCom and I also have an LLB degree.
Hmm.
I am a very enthusiastic in English
Hmm.
learning in English language. Sorry.
So, you have a law degree.
Yes, I have.
Hmm. But you don't practice law. Did you practice
No,
earlier?
no, I never practiced it because I wanted to do LLM. I took entrance exam LLM, but it was really hard. It was not my cup of tea, so I gave up.
Okay. So, Priya, why did you choose law? Do you have lawyers in your family?
Yes, my elder brother is a
Hmm.
lawyer
Hmm. So, did he inspire you to become a lawyer?
most of the time because
Hmm.
he always talk about law and
Hmm.
sections, articles.
Hmm.
So I get influenced by him.
Mhm. What is wrong in this? Okay, I'll write it down. Yes. Can you see my message? Is it visible?
I get influenced by him.
Hmm. What, can you tell me there is one mistake in this?
I'm not able
I'll
to
give
find
you,
out the mistake.
I'll give you a hint. It's a tense error.
Okay.
Hmm.
I got influenced by him.
Hmm. Hmm. Right?
When you talk about past, we use verb second form or third
Yes.
form.
Right?
But ma'am, most of the time it happened with me. I don't know why, but unconsciously I just jump into when I'm talking about past, I just jump into present.
Okay, so what shall we do? How can we solve this problem?
Actually, I'm trying to solve it,
Hmm.
but it will take time, I think.
Hmm. Yes. Okay, so you have to think about solving it, not about the habit.
Yes,
If you keep on thinking about your habit, then you will not be able to solve it. You have to
that's
focus
true.
on the solution.
Yes,
So every time you make a mistake, you should rephrase it.
yes.
Okay. All right. So then you did law after. Did you do law after your school?
After my graduation.
After graduation. Okay. So did you like law or did you find it very challenging? How was it?
When I was learning that time, I find it was really interesting.
I.
I find out it was really interesting, and because of that, I enjoyed my learning during my LLB,
Hmm.
and I would say it was a great chance to me to learn,
Hmm.
to know about our law.
Hmm. Right. Okay. Now again, see, I wrote something in the chat box. Check it out.
When I was studying law, I find out it was very interesting.
Hmm. What is a mistake? One word is wrong.
Find second form I should
Hmm.
use.
Hmm.
I
What is that?
found.
Yeah. Now say the sentence again.
Man, I forgot.
Find.
When I
Found.
was studying law,
Found.
I
Found.
found out
Hmm.
it was very interesting.
Yes. Okay. So can you tell me two reasons why you found law interesting? Two ways in which law you think is very interesting.
Because of case study,
Hmm.
I did many case study.
Hmm. Hmm. Second reason.
Mm, Second, there is no second reason because I wanted to do it,
Hmm.
so I did it.
Okay. So tell me about any interesting memory of your school life.
During my teenage,
School life.
school life.
Anything. It can be teenage, before teenage, after teenage.
I can share one story related to English. When I was in class 7,
Hmm.
I was I was good in study. I
Hmm.
was, and that time we didn't know about English language.
Hmm.
We know about English just like a subject.
Hmm.
We knew that English was just like a subject.
Hmm. See, now you started correcting yourself. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
You made the mistake. First time you said wrong, then you realized, then you corrected yourself and you rephrased. This is a very good thing. It is the first step for learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I told you, you have to focus on solutions. Don't think about the problem.
Yes.
Okay, we can do it. Not a problem. Yeah.
So that time I was very enthusiastic in English subject, and there were a girl. She was
There
good in.
was. There
There
was
was
already.
there was a girl.
Hmm.
She was good in English,
Hmm.
and I got influenced by her, uh, and I knew about the English language. And because of that, this is my dream to become a fluent speaker, and I want to get fluency. I want to achieve my goal.
Right. Okay. So today's topic. Have you seen the session notes today?
Skills.
Hmm. Harnessing the power of skills. What is the meaning of harnessing? Do you know the meaning of harnessing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so harnessing means um, to develop something.
Okay.
Okay, so we have some skills, but we have to develop it,
Yes.
right? So, do you think we are? Do you think skills are inborn, or do you think we can learn? Can we learn new skills, or are we born with skills?
No, ma'am. I believe we can learn skills
Okay.
because
Okay.
it is not hard to learn. We can acquire any skills
Hmm.
through our passion, through our hard work.
Do you think some? Do you think some skills are also born? We are born with some skills also.
Maybe
Hmm.
it is possible
Okay. Give me
with someone.
examples. Give me examples of both. Give me an example of skills we are born with, and give me an example of a skill which we can inculcate.
Someone is good in art
Hmm.
without learning. So we can say he or she is born with that particular skill. And like English language, I'm learning with my hard work because I'm very passionate. So I'm earning this skill through my hard work.
So this is a skill you are trying to develop. So in the first, just now you said some people are born with a good heart.
Good art.
Art, you said. Okay, fine. Okay, so some people are born artists. That's what you mean.
Yes.
Okay, so how can they make use of this skill? Can they use it somewhere?
They can polish their skill
Hmm.
day by day, and they can name and fame through their skill because they have their strength. They don't have to need. They don't have to work hard to achieving that goal because
Okay.
they have already.
Okay, so since they have the talent, they don't have to work very hard. It will be easy for them to achieve the goal.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Are talent and interest the same thing or are they different?
Both are different.
Can you give an example? Lawyer. Suppose you had not taken up law as your that's a professional course, right?
Yes.
So suppose you had not taken up law as your professional course. Then what which talent of yours, if I give you a choice that you have to take a talent of yours and turn it into your profession, then which talent would it be?
That time I was interested in doing some arts, like I was interested in embroidery, making paints, and woodcraft.
Hmm.
But because of my study, because I don't had time that time, so I left it.
Hmm. Hmm.
But I was really interested in,
So, how did you get a chance? How did you come to know that you're good in it?
because whenever I saw someone making those things, I sit with them, I learn with them, I try to make them. So because of that, I knew I was interesting.
I was interested.
I was interested.
Okay, so did you also learn any embroidery? Any new embroidery? Did you learn it? Like, did you
No,
do
no,
any course?
no, no.
Okay, you just learned from people,
Yes,
from the people who were doing it.
yes.
Okay, very good. So, if you had taken, let's say, if you had taken embroidery as your profession, maybe you would have done a professional course, right? And then you would have taken it as a full time professional. Then, how would your life be? Would it be different from the present life?
Of course.
Okay, so let's imagine. What type of a life will it be? From morning to night, what would be your, how would your routine be different? Suppose you are a successful professional in this area.
I would always think about the new kinds of design, how to make it, how to represent front of people, so I can sell, and I should earn some lots of money
Money.
and money,
Money, not money, it's money.
money. And I also think about to put them online so people can know about it, and I would be able to sell more, and that would be a I would get name and fame through my embroidery knowledge.
Yeah, you would get name and fame. So what would you, what kind of a professional would you be? What would you do as a profession?
Mm. I would be a manager.
Okay, maybe you would have your own factory.
Yes,
So would you be designing clothes, or would you be doing the embroidery part for some other brand which manufactures clothes? Maybe ready-made garments come to you.
maybe first I work with some companies,
Hmm.
and after that I would open my own
Hmm.
companies, and I should teach them other people so they can help me.
Okay, not should, would, because we are talking about probability,
Yes,
imagination.
so
I would
I
think.
would I would teach them some people so they can help me in my work.
Okay, so you mean you will groom some people to become your assistants?
Yes,
It's called grooming or mentoring. You can even say, I would be mentor.
mentor, mentor.
Okay, so they would help you in this business, right?
Yes.
Would you tie up with any retailers or any startup or any business house, any brand or any platform like Amazon? Will you do a tie up with anybody?
Yes, I will tie up with any online platforms,
Hmm.
and first I first I would make my own logo and my own identity,
Hmm.
so people can know about it easily and they can buy it easily.
Okay, right. How would you promote your products? Would you use any tools?
Yes, if I talk about online, so I would use social media. Like there are many social media platforms there you can just show your things and people know about it.
Correct.
And, they should approach you
Hmm.
to buy your things, and it is easy,
Hmm.
because when you are sitting offline in a shop or somewhere else, it is hard to sell your things.
Hmm. Correct. Um, would you be an influencer? Would you like to have your own channel?
I've opened my own YouTube channel, but that time, so I just left it. But I'm thinking about it again to open my own YouTube channel, because I can join with co-learners, so I can practice my English more.
Okay, so you had opened a channel earlier, but you had to close it because you were not able to give it that kind of commitment.
Yes,
It requires a lot of commitment, right?
yes.
Okay, so let's try for 5 minutes. Okay, you are Priya Pandey, YouTube channel.
If in English, if I open a channel for purpose of learning English,
No,
I
not learning English for this embroidery.
embroidery,
Give it a name, any imaginary name.
Priya's embroidery.
Okay, let's make it perfection with Priya.
Yes,
Okay, because it has to have some good sound. Perfection with Priya. Okay, this will be the name of the channel. And you are the influencer.
yes,
Let us say this work which is on your kurta. Okay, so we will imagine that you are selling this. You have, many times influencers wear their own things, and they say
yes,
that अभी देखिए ये मैंने खुद किया है और so like that you have to sell it to me. Okay,
yes,
I am your follower. I'm your audience. So first you start with greeting, then you say something, in my last video I did this I had shown you. Many people told me that they want to, there was some demand, they want to know from where I get my kurtas, from where I wear buy kurtas. So
yes,
today I'll tell you a secret, and then you promote it. You have to promote in a way that your followers will start buying it, they will start
yes.
ordering.
I can
So
start.
yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You know me already. I am Priya, and I believe you see my channel, which is about embroidery, and you also see about my embroideries,
Hmm.
which I made. I talked about my previous videos.
Hmm.
So today I'm going to show you new different kind of embroidery design. Here, look at the design. This is made by thread and stones. It's looking, it's shiny, it's looking wonderful. If you want to buy it, just click on the link. There is a link in my description, and you can buy it through the link. Thank you for watching.
Wonderful, very good. It was quite smart. You did it quite confidently, fluently, without any pause, and it was short and sweet.